How to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll find all your mails in here. Click on the box at the top left corner of your screen above all your mails. After you click on the box at the top left corner of your screen, at the top, click on Select All Messages in Inbox. After you click on Select All Messages in Inbox, press on the Trash Bin option and then press on Delete. After you do that, your all mails from Yahoo will be deleted in bulk. And this is how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.